I'm Pierrick Boulay. I'm working at Yole Group as a senior analyst in the field of automotive semiconductors. I'm working in semiconductors for ADAS applications using sensors such as camera, LiDAR, radars, but also related to computing and EE architecture. At Yole Group, we have a dedicated activity on automotive teardowns, and we open multiple LiDAR from multiple companies. And so we are able to see what component they are using inside, what technology is used inside. And this is very useful to structure our analysis and as a basis for our forecast. So we mainly see two big evolutions. So the first one is related to the technology itself, to the emitter and the receiver. So for the emitter, we saw a clear evolution from edge-emitting laser to VCSELs. And for the receiver, from APDs to SPADs and SIPM. All these evolutions were improving the cost and the performance of the LiDAR. The second thing we have seen was also related to the evolution of the LiDAR itself. And by opening multiple LiDARs from one company, so two generations of LiDAR from one company, we have seen that the bill of materials have been reduced by 25% between two generations. So not only related to the number of components, but also to their cost and also to the mechanical parts. So we have seen that there are some components that are changing. We mentioned the emitter or the receiver, but there are some characteristics that will stay for a while. So mostly related to the wavelengths of 905 nanometer and to the ranging principle of time of flight. So we have seen there is a lot of improvement in terms of technology and cost related to these parameters. That time of flight and 905 nanometer will stay for a while in the LiDAR market. So at Yole Group, we continue our investigation on LiDAR through a large variety of activities such as interviews, articles, conferences, and reports. For that, you can visit our website www.yolegroup.com.